Hello viewers, to those of you who have been following Crazy Cool Crochet and my blog crazycoolcrochet.com, you know that I have been trying to build a full-time income, full-time business from my crochet skills and from the blog, from the YouTube channel, my Etsy channel, and it's going quite well. It's definitely picked up quite a bit in the last few weeks. And I wanted to share a bit of really exciting news. I'm so happy about this. One of my patterns actually got picked up by a major online magazine, Country Living, and I wanted to show you guys and leave links to the magazine. It'll be in the, I'll actually leave a link in the comments down below so that you can take a look. And this is the project that was picked up. And this is my Farmhouse Christmas Stocking. And don't have a video for this, so you will have to go out to the blog, crazycoolcrochet.com, and there's a free pattern there. I'm just so happy about this. I wanted to show off and let you guys know. So please go ahead and take a peek. Look at the magazine, and then that will actually have a link directly to the page on my blog that will take you to the pattern. So just wanted to share that. Thanks.